How to create your own company. Creating something from scratch, shaping your own destiny, and making a tangible impact on the world is what draws countless individuals towards the journey of building their own companies. Your business idea to securing funding, from developing a solid business plan to navigating legal requirements. Each chapter of this guide is designed to equip you with the knowledge, tools, and resources necessary to transform your entrepreneurial aspirations into tangible reality. You'll discover valuable insights gleaned from the experiences of successful entrepreneurs, practical tips to overcome common obstacles, and actionable strategies to maximize your chances of success. The path of entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart, but for those bold enough to take the leap. The rewards are boundless. Whether you aspire to disrupt industries, create jobs, or simply leave your mark on the world, the journey of building your own company promises to be one of the most challenging and fulfilling endeavors you'll ever undertake. So, let's discuss entrepreneurship, where dreams are transformed into businesses and visionaries become trailblazers. Let's embark on this exhilarating journey together as you learn how to create your own company and carve out your place in the ever-evolving landscape of entrepreneurship. Idea and research. Start by reflecting on your interests, skills, and expertise. What are you passionate about? What are you good at? Your company will be more likely to succeed if it aligns with your passions and strengths. Start with a clear idea of what your company will do. Research the market, competition, potential customers, and industry trends to validate your idea. Generate a list of potential business ideas based on your passions and expertise. Think about problems you can solve, needs you can fulfill, or innovative products, services you can offer. Name and registration. Decide on a name for your company. Make sure the name is unique and not already in use by another business in your jurisdiction. You can usually check this through your local government's business registration website. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities. This typically involves filling out forms and paying a registration fee. Once you've chosen a name and legal structure, you'll need to register your business with the appropriate government agency. This might be a state or provincial agency, or it could be a national business registry. The registration process typically involves submitting forms and paying registration fees. Create a business plan. Whether you're entering a highly competitive market or carving a niche for your innovative idea, writing a business plan is a critical step in launching and managing a successful business. The executive summary is a crucial section of a business plan as it serves as an overview of the entire document. When it comes to executing a summary of business, you must describe your business briefly about its mission and your goals. Legal structure. Sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business structure where the business is owned and operated by one person. The owner is personally liable for all debts and obligations of the business. To establish a sole proprietorship, you typically just need to start operating your business. However, you may need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits depending on your location and the nature of your business. To establish a partnership, you usually need to draft a partnership agreement outlining the terms of the partnership, including each partner's rights and responsibilities. A partnership is a business structure where two or more individuals share ownership and management responsibilities. There are different types of partnerships, including general partnerships, where all partners share equally in the profits and liabilities, and limited partnerships, where there are both general partners who manage the business and limited partners who invest but have limited liability. An LLC offers limited liability protection to its owners, known as members, while allowing for flexible management structures. To establish an LLC, you typically need to file articles of organization with the appropriate state agency, pay the required filing fees, and create an operating agreement outlining the management and operation of the company. It's also a good idea to consult with a lawyer or a business advisor to ensure you understand the legal and financial implications of your choice. Licenses and permits. Understand the specific licenses and permits required for your type of business. Different industries and locations have different regulations. Make a list of all the licenses and permits required for your business. The exact process and requirements vary by country. Depending on your industry and location, you may need to obtain specific licenses or permits to legally operate your business. This could include things like a business license, zoning permits, etc. You can start by contacting your local Chamber of Commerce, Small Business Administration, SBA, or relevant government agencies to get information about the licenses and permits you'll need. Once you have obtained the necessary licenses and permits, make sure to comply with all relevant regulations. Failure to do so could result in fines, penalties, or even the closure of your business. Keep yourself updated on any changes to regulations or licensing requirements that may affect your business. Government agencies and industry associations are good sources of information. The process of obtaining licenses and permits can be complex, so don't hesitate to seek guidance from legal or business professionals if needed. Requirements may vary depending on your location and the nature of your business, so always double-check with local authorities. Tax ID number. In many countries, having a TIN EIN is a legal requirement for operating a business. It serves as a unique identifier for your company with tax authorities and other government agencies. A tax ID number is essential for tax reporting purposes. It allows the government to identify your business entity and track its tax obligations. Without a tax ID number, your business may not be able to fulfill its tax responsibilities, which could result in penalties or legal consequences. If your company plans to hire employees, a tax ID number is necessary for processing payroll taxes. It ensures that your employees' taxes are withheld correctly and reported to the government. Tax Identification Number 10. Employer Identification Number EIN is essential for ensuring compliance with tax laws, facilitating financial transactions, and establishing your business as a separate legal entity. Business bank account. Keeping your personal and business finances separate is crucial for legal, accounting, and tax purposes. It makes it easier to track business expenses, income, and deductions, which is essential for accurate financial reporting and tax filings. Having a business bank account gives your company a more professional image. It shows clients, customers, and partners that you are serious about your business and that you have taken the necessary steps to establish it properly. Maintaining a clear distinction between personal and business finances helps protect your personal assets from business liabilities. Business bank accounts often come with features and services tailored to the needs of businesses, such as merchant services, business loans, lines of credit, and business credit cards. These services can help you manage your cash flow, finance growth, and streamline your financial operations. It makes it easier to provide documentation and financial records to regulatory agencies, auditors, or investors when necessary. Finances, budget, different funding options available to you based on your financial situation and business needs. Common funding sources for startups include personal savings, loans from family friends, bank loans, angel investors, venture capital, crowdfunding, and government grants. If possible, try to fund your business using your own savings or income from a full-time job. Bootstrapping can help you retain full control of your business and avoid taking on debt or giving away equity too early. If you need additional funding beyond what you can provide personally, explore other financing options. Prepare a compelling pitch deck and business plan to present to potential investors, lenders, or grant providers. Look into small business loans offered by banks, credit unions, or online lenders. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and eligibility requirements to find the best option for your business. Once your business is up and running, closely monitor your cash flow to ensure you have enough liquidity to cover expenses and handle any unexpected costs. Implement sound financial management practices and consider using accounting software to track income and expenses. As your business grows and evolves, periodically review and adjust your budget and financial projections to reflect changes in your business environment, market conditions, and growth opportunities. Build a team, hire right people. With a well-functioning team, tasks can be completed more efficiently, leading to increased productivity and faster progress towards company goals. No one person can possess all the skills needed to run a company effectively. By building a team, you can bring together individuals with diverse skill sets, experiences, and perspectives, which can lead to better problem solving and innovation. When individuals work together towards a common goal, they can often achieve more than the sum of their individual efforts. Each team member brings their own strengths and weaknesses. By hiring the right people, you can ensure that team members complement each other, covering for each other's weaknesses and leveraging each other's strengths. This will help you to grow your company to the top level. Hiring the right people also means finding individuals who align with the company's values and culture. A strong company culture can boost morale, improve employee satisfaction, and ultimately contribute to the company's success. Set up location. Establish the physical or virtual location of your business. Set up any necessary infrastructure, equipment, and technology to support your operations. Decide on the location for your company. Consider factors such as proximity to customers, suppliers, transportation access, and costs. Look for commercial real estate options that meet your needs. Consider factors such as size, layout, amenities, and lease terms. Arrange for essential services such as electricity, water, internet. Consider other services you may need, such as security, cleaning, and waste disposal. Purchase furniture, fixtures, and equipment for your office or workspace. Set up any necessary infrastructure, such as computers, printers, and networking equipment or whatever you need for your business. Ensure that your workspace complies with safety regulations and ergonomic standards. Consider factors such as lighting, air quality, and noise control to create a comfortable and productive work environment. Because your employees can work peacefully, by this productivity of work will increase. Market your business and location to attract customers, clients, and employees. When you make existing clients, it will be very easy to grow your business. Depending on the nature of your business, you may also want to consider remote work options for yourself and your employees. This can offer flexibility and cost savings. Consider consulting with legal, financial, and real estate professionals to ensure that you're setting up your business location properly and efficiently. Setting up a location for your own company can be a complex process, so it's essential to plan carefully and seek guidance when needed. Develop a brand. Define your brand identity. Determine your company's mission, vision, and values. What does your company stand for? What do you aim to achieve? Identify your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics, interests, and pain points? Choose a memorable brand name. Select a name that is unique, easy to remember, and reflects your brand's identity. Design a logo that visually represents your brand's values, personality, and offerings. Choose colors, typography, and imagery that align with your brand identity. Ensure consistency across all branding materials, including website, social media, packaging, and marketing collateral. Create a professional website that showcases your brand identity, products and services, and unique selling points. By this, people can come to know very clearly about your business. Deliver consistent brand experience and provide excellent customer service, and exceed customer expectations to build trust and loyalty. Encourage customer feedback and incorporate it into your brand development process. When you get true feedback, you can grow your company to the top level. Launch and promote. Plan a launch strategy to introduce your products or services to your target audience. Utilize various marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, and advertising, to attract customers and generate buzz around your brand. Listen to customer feedback and continuously improve your products or services based on their needs and preferences. Compliance and regulations. When creating your own company, compliance with regulations is crucial to ensure legal operation and avoid potential fines or legal issues. The specific regulations you need to adhere to depend on various factors, including the country and industry in which you operate. If you plan to hire employees, familiarize yourself with employment laws and regulations regarding wages, working hours, benefits, and workplace safety. Be sure to comply with regulations related to hiring, firing, and employee rights. Ensure compliance with data protection and privacy laws, especially if your business collects and stores customer or employee data. Implement appropriate measures to protect sensitive information and obtain consent when necessary. Protect your intellectual property rights by registering trademarks, copyrights, and patents as applicable. Respect the intellectual property rights of others and avoid infringing on existing trademarks or copyrights. Research any industry-specific regulations that apply to your business. This could include regulations related to healthcare, finance, food safety, environmental protection, or other specialized areas. Consider obtaining appropriate insurance coverage to protect your business against risks such as liability, property damage, or business interruption. Ensure your products, services, and facilities are accessible to people with disabilities in compliance with accessibility laws and standards. Adhere to ethical standards and principles in your business operations, including honesty, integrity, and fair treatment of customers, employees, and other stakeholders. It's important to consult with legal and regulatory experts to ensure full compliance with all applicable laws and regulations when starting and operating your own company. Review and grow. Positive reviews from customers serve as social proof of the quality and reliability of your products or services. Potential customers are more likely to trust a business with a track record of positive reviews. Reviews provide valuable feedback about your company's performance, allowing you to identify areas for improvement. Responding promptly and appropriately to both positive and negative reviews demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Many consumers rely on reviews when making purchasing decisions. Positive reviews can influence potential customers to choose your company over competitors. Providing a platform for customers to share their experiences can help you attract new business. Satisfied customers are likely to recommend your company to others, both online and offline. Positive reviews can amplify word-of-mouth marketing efforts, helping to expand your customer base organically. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a strategic mindset. Building a successful company is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed to your vision, embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and never stop striving for excellence. With determination, resilience, and a clear focus, you can build a great company.